Do you know what it takes to be a business leader?
Every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything.
What are the secrets behind highly profitable companies? Even the most highly successful company is inevitable from failure. How do some businesses flourish while some other businesses succumb to their losses? What were the policies that made India an emerging leader? How do these policies affect us? How many of you all know various schemes launched by the government? What secrets does the balance sheet reveal about the company? How does one interpret the financial statements?
If you are a student with the above mentioned thoughts, worry not. It is all of us that have pondered upon them. Introducing you to e-commerce, where we shall be getting on an adventurous journey to get all your doubts cleared. So stay tuned, subscribe and spread the word out.
Hey guys, I am Neha Singh and I will be your master teacher for economics.
Hey guys, I am Sheetal Chaudhary and I will be your master teacher for accountancy.
Hi, I am Disha and I am your master teacher for business studies.
Guys, this is me Aditya and I'm your master teacher on Vedantu and we will study mathematics and statistics.